my name is Tracy Heyer. I'm from Pellet Pros, and I'm here today to do a demonstration for you. What we are using today, this is kiln-dried pine, and it is in chipped form. We haven't run it through a hammer mill or anything. As you can see, it's kind of coarse. This is soybeans. The soybeans are at 10%, and then just a little bit of water. Our recipe that we use for this is 12 cups of the pine. Put it in our mixer. Six cups of our soybeans. This is a 4 and a 2, which makes 6. And then 1 cup of water. Demonstrating on today is a PP600 pellet mill, and what we do is we start it up to warm it up, and the die needs to get about 200 degrees before it makes really nice pellets. The pellets will come out of the chute, and they'll be about 200 degrees also. They're going to be warm and moist. So what we're going to do after we make the pellets, they're pretty fragile, so we put them on a cooling screen to cool them, and we just leave them overnight, and then they're ready to use the next day. This is a homemade cooling rack, and it's made out of 2x4s with hardware cloth. And what we do is we lay them out on the rack, and we leave them overnight, and then they're ready to use the next day. And that's how we make pellets.
We're here at Pellet Pros today to show you how to make pellets on the PTO model. Here and pelletized is alfalfa that's been hammer milled, and it's 12-to-1 mixture, 12 parts alfalfa, 1 part water, and we've got a cup of soybeans here we're going to put through to clean the dyes. Take our pellets now that we've made, and we're going to put them up in the drying rack, and probably tomorrow they'll be dry. That's it.
We're here at Pellet Pros today going to demonstrate a Model 220 pellet mill. We're going to use 50-50 mixture of alfalfa and dried distiller's grain with some water. We're going to go ahead and get going. Made our pellets. We're going to go ahead and cool them in the cooling rack. Should be just about perfect in a day or so. It's important to get them not too deep and kind of layer them out a little bit so they dry properly. Today we're burning pellets made from a Pellet Pro pellet machine, a Model 600 and a Model 220. Just doing a burn test. Everything looks great. I don't know if you can see through the flames there behind it. We've shut the air off trying to show you the pellets coming out of the back of the auger. That would be the round circle in the center of the frame. This is the fire in an AFS 1100 burning pellets, 2300 degrees.
Into biomass fuel. Paul Lamb from Pellet Pros in Kewanee, Illinois, and today we're going to demonstrate how to use our 650D diesel pellet mill. As you can see, we just got finished making pellets. They're hot and they're moist. Coming out of the machine, they're about 140 degrees. I want to put them in my cooling bin and cool them down overnight, and tomorrow they'll be dried and ready to use. This is a mixture of sawdust and DDG, which is dried distiller's grain, which is a byproduct of the ethanol plants here in the Midwest.